Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a quickie. I've been requested a couple different times to show if you could get two helmets in the top box as the documentation and stuff states from Can-Am. So let's go over that. So this is Jackie's medium Scorpion helmet. This is my medium shell Scorpion helmet. Again, you can see the communicator base here, so the communicator would fit as well if you had the communicator on here. So let's just open this up. Okay, so there you go, two medium full face helmets. Shuts fine, nothing's touching. Alright, the next question was can you fit two full face helmets in the front? So let's do the same thing for the front. Now normally I keep a coat or my rain gear or something in the bottom, just so it helps, you know, not scratching up my helmet. So this is a snug fit, so what you want to do is you want to work it in here. If you do have a communicator, it should be where your helmet's starting to narrow back, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Push it down in there. Know that this plastic lining or whatever, it'll feel tight, but the plastic lining will actually move around and conform kind of to the helmet. Alright, helmet number 2. Again, if I had a communicator, it would still fit in here. Alright. Notice it doesn't close all the way, but the way that you have to put the helmets in here, they kind of slide off of each other, so there you go. Two full-faced, medium-sized helmets in the front. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to put this out there so people can see you know, the size of the rear top box as well as the front. Also, while I'm at it, let's look at the side compartment. Let's see how much room we've got here. Can we put a full-faced helmet in here? If I'm guessing, I'm going to say no. Nope. So let me go get a half 3/4 helmet. Just show you that. All right, guys. So I went and got Jackie's half helmet. This is an LS2 Rebellion helmet. It's a half helmet, but DOT classifies this as a 3/4 helmet. Even though it doesn't come down and protect your ears. So just show you can put half helmets with ease in the side compartment. So yeah, definitely a lot of space on the new 2020 RTs. I've been told, you know, 10 or 15 times by people on the internet you can't fit two full-size helmets in the front. You know, there's Can-Am makes bold claims about being able to put two full-size helmets in a top box. You guys just seen it, you can do both. So alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you, bye.